Good morning, children. In today's session, I am going to take class for 6th standard. It is term 3 portion, children. Already 2 lessons we have completed and book back answers. Everything given for you. I hope you have written in your classwork. Now I am going to take second lesson, unit 2, water. So for you children, in this lesson, full lesson is not there for you. Okay. Some of the portions are omitted. Like for example, you have given the C page. I think you have bought the book, children. Those who have not bought the book, buy the books available in the school. Okay. So that will be easy for you to learn and understand what I am telling. So those who have the book can take page number 15. See that 2.1, 2.2 they have given, right? Next 2.3, then 2.4 like that they have given. So in that you don't have all, okay? So whatever I am teaching you, that is enough to learn, okay? So for example, if you take this page number 15, you don't have 2.1. This is omitted. Now 2.2 I will take for you. So 2.2 only you have to learn. Okay, I'll teach only that. Then 2.3 it's omitted. So some of the portions are omitted for you. So whatever I'm teaching, I'm telling you, just learn that. Okay. Now see page number 15, 2.2, town. Now, where and how water is found on the earth. So where and how. Purida. Now water is available in nature in 3 forms, that is solid, liquid and vapor. So already we have learnt in the lower classes solid, liquid and gas, right? Water is available. Now solid form of water, ice, it is present in icebergs and ice caps on top of tall mountains, glaciers and polar regions, all in the cold regions. Okay. So solid form of ice that is present in the icebergs and ice caps, all is found in the colder regions. We have the icebergs and ice caps. Okay. Then liquid form of water, we have seen the solid now. Then water. It is present in ocean, seas, lakes, rivers and even underground. Purida? That is, and the airy, kolala solraliya, then sea, kadal, ingellame vandu eppadi nama paakrom water in the liquid form, illaya? Then gaseous form of water vapor. It is present in the air around us. Nammala sutti adu enna irukku? Gaseous vapor around us. It can be seen in the air. Now do you understand, children? With this 2.2 in this page, and that this will be your detail 1 answer. That is, the question is 2.2. Question is the detail 1. That is where and how. Detail, that is page number 15, 2.2. So what is the question given there? Where and how water is found on the earth. This is the detail first question. Okay. Page number I have written 2.2. Okay. So this is detail 1. This question is detail 1. Where and how water is found on the earth. So that question is in the book itself. Okay. So what will you do? Water, open the bracket. Okay. First water I'm going to open the bracket. And where did I finish? Air around us. That is on the right side. Gaseous form of water vapor. It is present in the air around us. Close the bracket. That is your detail 1. Did you understand, children? So this is your detail 1. So while I am taking the class itself, I will tell you, okay, some of the questions. Just mark it. So this is your first question. Question is in the book itself. That is detail. Okay. Where and how water is found on the earth. So this paragraph, what I have taken for you now, that will be your detail 1. Now 2.3 is omitted for you. Then 16th page, no need. Then page number 18, you go to that 2.4. This is there, composition of water. So I'll take this for you, okay? That is, water is a transparent. Transparent another. What is transparent? Colorless. Illaya, color illama white are transparent. Tasteless. Tasteless na taste illama irukku. Odorless means no smell. Okay, we cannot get any smell from that. That is transparent. Tasteless and odorless, and nearly colorless. So it is not, don't have a color also. It is transparent, I said. It's a chemical substance. So water is a transparent, tasteless, odorless and nearly colorless chemical substance. It is composed of 2 atoms of hydrogen combined with 1 atom of oxygen. So molecular formula of water is what? Formula of water is H2O. So already you know what is the formula of water? H2O. Okay, that is 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. And however, the physical composition of water changes from place to place. So it changes, physical changes from place to place. ஒரு பிளேஸில் தண்ணி ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும், இன்னொன்று பிளேஸில் போனால் தண்ணி சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். புரியுதா? Then it can be clear or cloudy. கிளியராகவும் இருக்கலாம், physical composition of water, okay, cloudyயாகவும் இருக்கலாம். That is கொஞ்சம் ஒரு மாதிரியாக இருக்கும். புரியுதா? cloudyயாக இருக்கும். Then oxygenated or not very oxygenated. It can be oxygenated or not very oxygenated. So H2O, I said oxygen, okay. So in that oxygenated it will be light oxygenated also, and it can be fresh as well as salty. Nalla thannin solrom liya, fresh water, salty water, another sea water. So all this comes, that is saline water, sea water, salty water, all this same only, okay. Fresh water, fresh also it may be also salty also. The amount of salt in water is termed as salinity. So what is salinity? Salinity. Okay, the amount of salt. Amount of salt in water. The amount of salt in water is termed as salinity. So evlo ninga salt irukko thannila, that is termed as salinity. Based on its salinity, water is classified into three main categories. Salinity is three main categories. What are those? Fresh water. Fresh water na நம்ம நல்லா தண்ணி குடிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, that is a fresh water. So next is brackish water. So brackish water, and next is sea water. So what is sea water? Sea water will be salty இல்லையா? Sea water is salty. எப்பவுமே எப்படி இருக்கும்? Sea water salty இருக்கும், that is salinity, okay. So if you take brackish water, that is saltier. Fresh water na அவ்வளவா salty-ஆ இருக்காது இல்லையா, but sea water எப்படி இருக்கும்? salty-ஆ இருக்கும். இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கு நடுவுல தான் brackish water. புரியுதா? fresh water விட கொஞ்சம் ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும், okay, that is salinity, saline. fresh sea water விட கம்மியா இருக்கும், that is brackish water, that is saltier than the fresh water. Saltier than fresh water. இப்போ புரியுது? brackish water means what? fresh water, sea water, brackish water. So brackish water fresh water விட கொஞ்சம் ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும், sea water விட கொஞ்சம் கம்மியா இருக்கும், that is called as a brackish water. So the salinity is termed in three main categories, that is fresh water, brackish water and sea water. Then fresh water contains 0.05% to 1% of salt. 0.5 to 1%. Then brackish water contains up to 3% of salt, that is little more than the fresh water. Then brackish water on sea water contains more than 3%. More than 3%, that is salty, very salty, okay, that is saline. So did you understand now how much you get? That is 0.05 to 1% fresh water. Brackish, that is 3%, that is saltier, much little less saltier than the fresh water, and the sea water is very much salty, that is more than 3% of salt, okay. Now ocean water is composed of many substances. The salts include sodium chloride, magnesium chloride and calcium chloride, okay. Now this is 2.4, it's over for you. Then again 2.5, this page is omitted for you. Page number 19 you don't have, okay, this page is omitted. Then same way 20, 21 is omitted. Now you can take page number 22, that is 2.7, conservation of water, okay. 2.7 you are going to see now. Page number 22, conservation of water, okay, right. Now in this there is no change in the total quantity of water available on the earth. So earth la irukka thannila vandu endha changes kediyadhu, how much it is available, okay. Then it remains the same, so there is no change of water quantity in the earth, and it remains the same also, as it is there is no change, it remains same. But the water useful for plants, animals and man is decreasing day by day. So when we are consuming the water, what happens? When plants, animals and we are consuming the water, and it's decreasing day by day. Decreasing na kammi aite varudhu, decreasing day by day, and it is called as scarcity of water. So decrease aite varudnala namakku enna agudhu? Thanni panjam varudhu illaya? That is also, it is called as a scarcity of water. Now what are the reasons for the scarcity of water? We are going to see now. The main reasons of water scarcity. So this is your detail 2 question. Detail 2, that is, can see in the green color it on the side heading, the main reason. So the question is explain main reasons for water scarcity. This will be your detail 2 question. Okay, that is in page number 22 and 2.7. This is the detail 2. Explain main reasons for water scarcity. This is your detail 2. Okay, that 5 points, that is population explosion. Okay, then uneven distribution of rainfalls. In we are not getting the rainfall properly, right, in our area, and also there is a decrease of rainfall. So uneven distribution of rainfall. So that's a main scarcity for the water. Okay. Then decline of groundwater table. Groundwater we are getting low. புரியுதா, நமக்கு மழை பெஞ்சாதான் நம்ம கிரவுண்ட் வாட்டர் அதெல்லாம் ஒரிஞ்சு என்ன ஆகும், அப்சர்வ் ஆகி நம்ம கிரவுண்டில் உள்ள தண்ணி இருக்கும். அதுவே இல்லைன்னா மழை பெஞ்சாதானே நம்ம கிரவுண்டை வந்து இழுக்கும். ஸோ தேர் இஸ் அ டிக்ளைன் ஆஃப் கிரவுண்ட் வாட்டர் டேபிள். தென் பொல்யூஷன் ஆஃப் வாட்டர். ஓகே, வாட்டர் பொல்யூட் ஆகுது இல்லையா, அதெல்லாம் நமக்கு வந்து தண்ணி கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்குது. பொல்யூஷன் ஆஃப் வாட்டர். தென் கேர்லெஸ் யூஸ் ஆஃப் வாட்டர். நம்ம இஷ்டத்துக்கு நம்ம வாட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ அதனால் நமக்கு என்ன ஆகுது, there's a decline of water. Okay, so what are the 5 reasons? Population explosion, uneven distribution of rainfall, decline of groundwater table, pollution of water, and careless use of water. So these are the 5. Okay, so what are the 5 children? This is the second detail for you. Question is explain main reasons for water scarcity. That is population explosion, uneven distribution of rainfall, decline of groundwater table, then pollution of water, and careless use of water. These are the 5 points. So this will be your detail 2. So detail 1 I said, page number 15 2.2, already the question is in the book itself. Okay, given. So that detail you have to learn. Then page number 22 2.7, conservation of water, detail 2. Explain main reasons for water scarcity. How many points are there? 5. Okay. Next, we should take care to prevent scarcity of water. So to avoid the scarcity of water, we should take care of this water supply. Otherwise, it is impossible for the organism to live on the earth. Not only plants and animals, we also, all plants, animals, all the human beings, it is impossible for every organism to live on this earth without the water. Then the only method of preventing scarcity of water is conservation of water. That is protecting the water. Saving water for the future generation. For the future generation, next generation save water. Okay, by using water carefully. So நம்ம எப்படி அதை சேவ் பண்ண முடியும்? கேர்ஃபுல், நம்ம வாட்டர் வந்து கேர்ஃபுல்லாக யூஸ் பண்ணோம். கேர்லெஸ்ஸாக வந்து நம்ம வாட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஸோ வி ஹேவ் டு யூஸ் இட் கேர்ஃபுல்லி ஸோ தட் வி கேன் சேவ் ஃபார் த ஃபியூச்சர் ஜெனரேஷன். அண்ட் த லிமிட்டெட் வே இஸ் அ கன்சர்வேஷன் ஆஃப் வாட்டர். ஸோ லிமிட்டெட் வேயில் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணி ஃபியூச்சர் ஜெனரேஷனுக்காக நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், வாட்டரை சேவ் பண்ணணும். தட் இஸ் அ கன்சர்வேஷன் ஆஃப் வாட்டர். Now next we are going to see methods of water conservation. This will be your detail 3. Okay, how, same page children, detail 3, how water is conserved, how water is, you can take down this in your rough notebook children. These questions should be written in your rough notebook, and then when you are copying down in your classwork, so you have to see those questions and take down the question with answer. Okay children, do you understand me? Okay, so what is the question? How water is conserved? By water management method. Water management method. That is actually, there are 2 methods. In that only one method I am giving you as a detail. Okay, so mainly 2 methods can be followed for the conservation of water. The 2 method is water management and rainwater harvesting. So these are the 2 methods, but in that only first water management I have given you for the detail question. That is third detail. Okay, so it is water management consists of the following factors: bringing awareness, okay, about the bad effects of throwing waste into the water bodies. இப்போ ஏதாவது ஒரு நம்ம வேஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், தண்ணியில் போட்டுறோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் வேஸ்ட்லாம் இருக்குது, அங்கே பக்கத்தில் ரிவர்ஸ் இருக்கும்போது அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, அந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் வேஸ்ட்லாம் அந்த தண்ணியில் கொட்டுறாங்க. ஸோ இட் பொல்யூட்ஸ் த வாட்டர் பாடி. ஸோ we should bring the awareness, that is about the bad effects of throwing waste into the water bodies. Then recycling of water by separating the pollutants, that is recycling the water. Okay, Then minimizing the use of chemical fertilizers in agriculture. So agriculture nalla the plants ella nalla crops ella nalla valaradhukku avanga enna pandranga chemical fertilizers use pandranga. So we have to minimize it. Minimize na kammi pannom using the chemical fertilizers in agriculture. Then it so that we can reduce the pollution of the underground water also. Then controlling deforestation, that is cutting down the trees. Okay, deforestation is nothing but the cutting down. So we have to control that. Okay, then that is controlling deforestation. Then adopting drip irrigation. So what is irrigation? For agriculture use பண்றாங்க irrigation, that is drip irrigation, sprinkler that நிறைய இருக்கு. So in the drip irrigation, that is both water and fertilizer sent to the crop directly. Okay, that is water moving slowly to the crops by the drip irrigation. Next is sprinkler. Water is sprayed through the sprinkler. That is called as a sprinkler irrigation in agriculture. So what are they adopting? What are the two irrigation? Drip irrigation and the sprinkler irrigation. Drip and sprinkler irrigation. These are the two methods adopted. Okay. Then by this way, lesser amount of water can be used for the irrigation. So if we use this, what we can do, we can use less amount of water. So these are the 5 points. Okay, so 5 points given in this, that is detail 3 question. How water is conserved by water management method. 2 methods given, but only 1 method I have given you for the detailed question. This 5 points you have to write. So the question I have given on the board, you can take down in your rough notebook, children. After that, while writing in the classwork, you can write along with the question answer. Okay. The next is rainwater harvesting, that is collecting the water. Okay, direct collection and use of rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. So in the rainwater harvesting also there are 2 types. Rainwater harvesting. So rainwater harvesting, in this we have 2 types, that is first collecting water from where it falls, that is collecting water from where it falls, that is example collecting water from the rooftop of the houses of the building. So mala peyumbodhu enna agudhu mele roof la collect agudhu illaya, that is collected from the house or the buildings, that is called as a roof water harvesting. So collecting water from the rooftops of the houses or buildings are called as a collecting water from where it falls, that is roof water harvesting. That next is collecting flowing rainwater, that is collecting rainwater by constructing ponds with bund. Bund means what? It's an artificial dam. For dam built pandranga, so it's an artificial dam that is built across the river to prevent the floods. Okay, puriyudha? So what is bund? That is a artificial dam built across a river. River பக்கத்துல என்ன பண்றாங்க, அது வந்து டேமை பில்ட் பண்ணி அது வந்து ஃப்ளட் வரும்போது தண்ணி எல்லாம் ஊருக்குள்ள வராமல் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, அந்த ரிவர்ஸ் அதுக்குள்ளேயே அக்ராஸ் இது பண்ணி அந்த டேம் பில்ட் பண்ணி அந்த தண்ணி வந்து சேவ் பண்ணி வைக்கிறாங்க. சரியா? ஸோ கலெக்டிங் ரெயின் வாட்டர் பை கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டிங் த பாண்ட்ஸ் வித் த பன்ஸ். நவ் டு யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் நவ்? That is roof water harvesting and the collecting the rainwater from the bunds. So these are the 2 types. So this page you have children. After this, page number 23 and 24 is omitted. So only 3 pages for you in this lesson. So what are the pages I said? Page number 15, page number 18 and page number 22. So all the other portions in this lesson is omitted for you. புரியுதா? அது தேவையில்லை உங்களுக்கு. So only 3 pages தான் உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Okay. Now in this only I am going to give you the question. So இந்த எடுத்து நிறைய questions இதில் full lesson இந்த questions இருக்கு இல்லையா, with the whole lesson, but in that I am giving you only the questions what I have taken. So இந்த 3 பேஜில் எடுத்தது மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு நான் ஆன்சர்ஸ் கொடுக்க போகிறேன். சரியா? That is page number 28. First you take the choose. In that choose, first see, around 97% of water available on earth is dash water. That is first one C, salty water. Second one வேண்டாம், cross போட்டுருங்க. Second no need. Okay, same with third also no need, put cross in the third one. See, for example இப்போ 2 இருக்கு இல்லையா, 2 இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா put cross like this. Then first one I said same with third also don't want cross, you have to put like this. வேணாம்னு சொல்லும்போது அதில் cross போட்டுருங்க. That means you don't have that question. Okay, so this I have written here detail 1, detail 2 and detail 3. புரிஞ்சுதா உங்களுக்கு these 3 questions? Then same next is, see the fourth one, about 30% of the fresh water is found in B, groundwater. So first one, fourth one, about 30% of the fresh water is found in B, groundwater. Fifth one no need, put cross. Then normal number 2, fill in the blanks. Okay, that is, finish writing this, children. So take down the detailed questions in your rough notebook. Page number also I have written. Only then it will be easy for you to learn, children, for your exam. Then fill in the blanks. Homework number 2, page number 28. In that, fill up. First one, only -% of natural water is available for human consumption, 3%. Okay. Second one, no need. Then third one, dash is built on rivers to regulate water flow and distribute water, that is dam. Okay. Now next is, water levels in rivers increase greatly during raining. Okay. Then fifth one, no need, children. So 2 and 5 I have not given, 1, 3 and 4. Okay. So whichever I am not given, put cross in that number. Okay. Then true or false. First one, water present in rivers, lakes and ponds is unfit for use by human beings. That is Roman number 3. True or false? First one is, they have given, first one is actually false. Why it is false means, that is, water present in rivers, lakes and ponds is, they have given unfit. So unfit will not come there. Instead of that, fit you have to write. Unfit not there. Okay. So instead of that, what you have to write? Fit. Okay. So how will you correct the sentence now? Water present in rivers, lakes and ponds is fit. Okay. For use by human beings. Then see the last one, fifth one. Sea water can be used for irrigation as such. So fifth one also false. So what will you write? Sea water can they have given. Instead of that, you have to write cannot. Okay. How will you form the statement now? Sea water cannot be used for irrigation as such. Do you understand? So others and all you will put cross in the numbers. 1 and 5 only I have given. Next is Roman number 4. Match the following. Okay. Match the following. So the numbers is 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay. So in that, flood means increasing rainfall. Flood is increasing rainfall. Then surface water, no need. Second one, no need. Sunlight, no need. Cloud, no need. Frozen water, that also no need. Okay, only the first one. But you write the numbers. Okay, so only first one will come for you. That is flood, increased rainfall. First one மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு வரும். நம்பர்ஸ் போட்டு வைங்க. அப்போ உங்களுக்கு போதும், உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் படிக்கிறது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு இருக்குது, மிச்சதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. சரியா? தென் ரோமன் நம்பர் 5. Arrange the following statements in correct sequence. That is, the sentences are given in the jumbled form. Okay. Now you will arrange it. First I'll give the numbers. Okay. Next to the sentence you put first the numbers. Okay. For example, first one, these vapors condense to form tiny droplets of water. So next to that sentence put number 4. So this is the correct order what you are writing. Okay. So that will be the fourth sentence. Next is 6. Then third, number 1. Fourth number is 8. Then fifth one, 2. Sixth one, 5. Seventh one, 3. And eighth one, 7. Okay, this is how we'll put the numbers. So after putting the numbers, you have to arrange it in it. So first one is number 3. Second one is number 5. Third one is number 7. Fourth one is number 1. Fifth one is number 6. Seventh one is number 8. And the eighth one is number 4. Now did you understand? So first they have given the jumble form. So next when you write will be in the correct sequences. The numbers I have written on the board. Next is analogy. Roman number 6. Analogy. Okay. So that is population explosion, water scarcity. Recycle is reuse. So in the dash you will write reuse. Then groundwater dash surface water lakes. So groundwater is tube wells. This no need, only first one is enough, I think so. So first one, okay. Then very short answers they have given. So this very short answers we'll write in the next class, student. Thank you.